Hola guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be ranting about noise cancelling devices. In particular, this one here, UGREEN USB External Stereo Sound Adapter with voice control and mute button for PC. Medyo mahaba yung pangalan, I know, pero ayos lang kasi napakamura niya, 400 pesos lang. But, wala pa ring tatalo sa Alaska. Ang corny. Wala pa ring tatalo sa libre. The fact that you're checking this product out, baka lang, gagamitin nyo siya para sa computer. If you're going to be using it for your computer, we have lots of options in regards to kung gagamitin mo siya sa computer. Bakit? Yung mga ibang motherboard dyan, may libre ng noise cancellation, noise suppression. Ako, medyo mura lang yung motherboard ko. Realtek sound adapter lang yung integrated sa motherboard ko. Pero yung Realtek na sound card na yon, it offers noise suppression na rin. Ngayon, kung medyo bago yung motherboard mo, MSI or Asus, most probably it offers ano na rin, noise cancellation as well. Ngayon, kung naka-RTX ka or kahit GTX pa, basta I believe 1050 Ti pataas, it could offer free noise cancellation as well via RTX voice or NVIDIA broadcast. Depende na kung anong video card ng NVIDIA ang gamit mo. Link will be in the description field in regards to MSI motherboard, supported motherboard that offers noise suppression, and link na rin for NVIDIA's RTX voice and or NVIDIA broadcast. Nasa description field below. So, yun yung mga options na libre. Ngayon, meron din tayong iba pang mga hardware devices like this one here. We have Asus AI noise cancellation pero medyo mahal. Mga nasa 1,500. Nagmamadali kasi. Mga nasa 1,500 pesos yun. Tapos meron din tayong Sound Blaster. Yun lang yung alam ko na hardware device as of now. Tapos meron din tayong ibang software kasi hardware yun eh. Heto, hardware yan. Meron din tayong software na libre. Microsoft Teams, Discord, Skype, they offer noise cancellation for free. Meron din tayong may bayad tulad ng XSplit and marami pang iba may bayad. Ngayon yung ito, 'di ba? Hindi nyo nakikita yung nasa likod ko. Ang gamit ko dyan, background removal app from XSplit. May bayad siya. Ang counterpart nun, may noise cancelling din siya. May bayad din yon. Hindi ko ginagamit yon kasi may AI noise cancellation from Asus na ako. And that's the one I'm using right now making this video. Alright, so going back to this product here, heto siya. Yan. I hope you guys can see it. Ayan. Quality build, okay siya. Pero kapag ialog mong ganyan, may kumakalansing sa loob. Sana hindi buhay. Pero hindi naman sama. Salagang 400 pesos. Basta gumagana, okay na yon. And, sulit naman sana. 400 pesos is 400 pesos, guys. 1 litro ng gasolina na. Hindi ko na alam magkano gasolina ngayon. Pero, mahalaga ang pera ngayon. So, heto siya. Build is okay. It has a USB Type A. This device, you can actually use this with your other devices like cell phones, PlayStation, Xbox, switches, mga ganyan. Ngayon, kung gagamitin mo siya sa cellphone, your cellphone may have a different jack, obviously. Baka micro USB yan or baka USB Type-C. So, you have to buy a special adapter para masaksak mo yung Type A device. So, yun siya. Yung button niya, meron siyang if you click on this button here, it'll mute the mic. If you mute this button here, it'll mute the audio output. Kasi you can actually use this for better sound quality kung dito mo isasaksak yung headphones mo. Like, you'd be using it for your PlayStation or cell phone or sound monitoring device. Pwede mo itong gamitin. And meron siyang volume knob for the volume output. Yon para yung ayun, kumbaga variable switch siya, di ba? And meron kang tatlong input ports. The first one here, yung color pink is for the microphone output, microphone input that has a TRS jack. Ngayon, kung meron ka ring headphone input, again, TRS jack. Yung alam mo yon, yung kasi marami tayong iba't ibang headsets, 'di ba? Merong headset na headphones lang, merong headset na or meron ding microphone lang, pero meron ding combination na ng both headset and mic na sa isang jack lang. Meron din ito, yung sa gitna. It's yung nasa gitna is the one for headsets that comes with the mic. TRRS jack yun, if I'm not mistaken. So, yun yung device. Alright, without further ado, we'd be proceeding to testing. Bagong gupit, bagong suot, no? And medyo magaling na yung stiff neck ko. And yeah, I had to remake this testing kasi I noticed some problems on my previous testing, so I had to redo it. But I'd still start off with Asus AI noise cancelling since it's the one I'm currently using making this video. And reminder, I spent 1,500 more or less dito sa device na to. And after this one, we'd be testing yung Realtek, yung integrated sa motherboard, B550 MSI motherboard. After that one is itong UGREEN 400 peso sound card USB device. And as for my testing, first, I'd let you listen sa current room noise ko. It's producing an average of 55 decibels. And here's a screenshot and audio clip of my current room noise. Ayan siya. Yun yung current room noise ko. And then after that one, I'd be playing a background noise in increments of 20%, 50%, and 100% ng noise. Tapos, just to give you guys an idea, heto naman yung audio clips nung white static noise. So, yun yung mga white noises that I'd be using during this testing. First, I'd be starting off with ambient noise, 20%, 50%, 100% white noise in the background after. Actually, the reason I had to remake this video was because yung ano ko, yung recording ko, uh, was already plugged in and natuklasan ko medyo biased pala kasi regardless of yung mga sound card devices na yan, regardless if yung noise suppression is on or off, meron pa rin silang iba't ibang style in processing sound galing sa microphone. So I have to redo the testing. All right. Now we'll be starting off with Asus AI noise cancelling with ambient room noise. I will turn it off. This is how with the noise suppression off, yung mic ko nakasaksak sa Asus AI noise cancelling. Heto yung sound. And this current noise, yung room noise ko is categorized as a normal quiet home. Yan. I will turn it back on. Ito naman siya kapag naka-on na. This is the one I've been using all throughout this video. So you're already familiar with it. And now, let me just lower my volume to 20%. Yan. Naka-off yung noise suppression ko. This is how it sounds like. And again, this one here is categorized as a quiet home pa rin. Itong decibel level na to, it's still categorized as a normal quiet home. Noise suppression on. Ganyan siyang ka-effective. And guys, you would notice as I increase the volume, yung boses ko will sound a bit robotic, medyo parang nasal. Tapos, some of the noise will still creep in. Ngayon, kung ganong ka-effective yung device, it will depend na sa device kung gaano siyang ka-effective as I increase the volume, no? Alright. And I will turn it back off. Increase the volume to 50%. Ang 50% is considered as a normal conversation kind of noise. Yung noise level niya, parang normal conversation lang siya. This is how it sounds like. Nakasaksak yung mic ko sa Asus, ha. I will turn it back on. I believe none of the noise is being picked up by Asus. So medyo effective pa rin siya. Ito yung voice quality ko. If I will read this out, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Medyo hirap kabisaduhin eh. Yan yun. Now, I will turn it back off and increase it to 100%. Noise suppression off. Yan yung decibel level and sound check. What this type of noise is categorized as loud singing, parang nasa concert. I will turn on the noise suppression. Ganyan siyang ka-effective. I believe robotic na talaga yung boses ko ngayon. Again guys, this is categorized as loud singing, parang nasa concert daw yung level ng noise na to. I will keep quiet for a second. I believe none of the noise is being picked up right now. Ganyan ka-effective si Asus AI noise cancelling. And all right, let me just lower the volume. Kinancel ko na muna yung volume, medyo maingay talaga. Um, Unfortunately, I'm unable to test this or include my NVIDIA video card in this testing kasi it's doing something else. But yung Asus AI noise cancelling is quite on par with NVIDIA's RTX voice. Mas maganda pa rin si RTX voice, don't get me wrong, pero medyo magkalapit na sila. Tapos, I believe parehas lang ang technology nito at saka yung mga built-in sa sound card ng mga Asus motherboards. Okay, that's enough of Asus AI noise cancelling. Now we'll be proceeding to Realtek audio device, which is integrated sa motherboard ko. Just give me a few seconds. I'll just transfer my microphone jack doon sa Realtek. Alright, now we'll be testing Realtek sound card, yung noise suppression ng sound card na yon from MSI's B550 motherboard. Right now, noise suppression is off and I will turn it, noise suppression is on, I will turn it off muna. Ayan siya. Thing to note lang before I proceed with testing, one thing I really noticed dito sa Realtek noise suppression, medyo mabagal siya mag process para ma-cancel or ma-suppress yung noise. Example, I will turn it on now. Now, may background noise ako, halimbawa. Palakas. Ayan. Medyo, it takes a bit longer for it to process at ma-cancel yung noise. Papatayin ko ulit ha. Ayan. So, i-on ko ulit. Medyo matagal siya mag-cancel ng noise, di ba? So, yun lang yung problem ko kay MSI. Now, let's proceed to testing. Cancel ko muna yung noise. Here's my ambient room noise. Again, normal quiet home ang category nito. There you have it. I will turn it on now. I will just give it a few seconds for it to cope up. Ayan, siguro stable na yan. So, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Mic test. Mic test. So, yun. And I will turn it back off. Now, increase the volume to 20%. Still considered a quiet home. Noise suppression is off. I will turn it on now. I'm just giving it a second to process it. And I think that's stable enough. Mic test, mic test. So that's how it sounds like at 20% noise. Still considered a quiet home. I will turn it off now. Increase the volume to 50%. There you have it. 50% noise. Now, this one is normal conversation level of noise. Noise suppression on. Okay, now mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test. So again, normal conversation to. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now, I'll just give it a few more seconds. I'll try to keep quiet. I believe some of the noise is still being picked up. Now I'll turn it off. Increase it to 100%. Medyo maingay na. Ayan siya. Mic test, mic test. Noise suppression on. Alright, I think it's stable na. Nag-stabilize na siguro yung computer, the one processing the sound. And now I'll just keep quiet for monitoring purposes. Alright, so ito, loud singing. Parang nasa concert na tayo. Medyo maingay siya. Alright, mic test, mic test, mic test. Medyo maingay. Hihinaan ko na, ha? So, ito yung audio quality. Again, this one is free. Mamaya, please go to the latter part ng video for my conclusion. No? Alright. And now, I'd be testing yung UGREEN sound card, USB device. I'll just transfer the mic naman doon. Give me a second. Alright, now my microphone's plugged into the UGREEN sound card USB device. And this is the audio quality. I don't have, or it doesn't have, sa pagkakaalam ko, wala siyang application, unlike yung sa Asus and yung sa AI. You have to understand this UGREEN is plug and play kind of thing nga, 'di ba? So once you plug it in, it thinks na, or yung gumawa nito believes na kailangan mo siya. So there's no application to turn it on or off. Once it's plugged in, it's already on. So wala siyang control ng ganon. Now I'll keep quiet for ambient noise. Heto siya. Ganyan yan. Naka-on na yan. As a default, naka-on na yung noise suppression yan. And I will introduce noise at 20% volume. Ayan, it's already playing. 20% volume. Still considered a quiet home. Mic test, mic test. And I believe yung boses ko is clear pa rin. Yun naman yung maganda kay UGREEN, no? Medyo malinaw yung boses. Next. 50% volume. I'll keep quiet. Ayan siya. So, may noise. Obviously, may noise pa rin. Yung tahimik nga kanina, may noise na. How much more yung ngayon? Lalaksan ko. Ayan siya, 100%. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Mic test, mic test. Test mic. 1, 2, 3. So, medyo maingay. And I believe most of the noise is still being picked up. And I believe most of the noise is still being picked up by UGREEN. Now, that ends the testing. Now for the conclusion. Alright, so that concludes it. UGREEN, mga pros and cons. I'll just stick to UGREEN lang, no? For 400 pesos, wala ka ng ibang option. Pwede na siya. Lalo na if you'd be using it for your PlayStation, Xboxes, mga ganyan, for gaming, pwede siya. It could suppress noise in a normal room environment. Quiet home lang, yun yung effectivity niya. Tapos kung merong mga external noise ka, halimbawa may mga naglalaro ng basketball sa labas, ganyan, it'll still pick those noise up. And yeah, ang pansin ko lang sa kanya, very conservative yung noise suppression niya para hindi ma-compromise yung voice quality mo. But in regards to input gain, yung loudness, ngayon yung setting ng microphone ko is already at maximum, and I have to increase na the volume during video editing na, i-increase ko pa yung volume para lang lumakas yung voice ko. Medyo mahina yung input niya. Input gain, kung kahit naka-max out na yung sa Windows ko, yung gain ng microphone, ganito pa rin siyang kahina. So, I mean, rather edited na yung video so in-increase ko na yung volume. So, medyo minimal yung volume niya. But during the testing, ganon, hindi ko pinalitan yung voice ko nun, yung voice volume ko, plug and play, 'di ba? Kung paano ko siya sinaksak, I did not change any settings. Ganun yung ang voice volume ko. So, medyo mababa. Itong conclusion, tinaasan ko lang yung volume ng microphone. or yung gain para lumakas, syempre, di ba? O, yun. So, 400 pesos, sulit ba siya or hindi? Again, kung wala ka ng option, hindi yun. Ang use case naman nito, like for example, ang search kasi nito sa Lazada, USB for PC, di ba? So, baka gamitin mo siya for YouTubing. Ngayon, kung ganun lang ang kung ganun ang paggagamitan mo, baka hindi siya recommendable kasi it's still medyo nakaka-irita pa rin kahit wind noise diyan. It's still kind of annoying para sa mga viewers. Ngayon, baka mas maganda pa to stick sa mga free tulad nung sa built-in sa motherboard mo. Kung meron kang video card na Nvidia, baka mas magandang RTX Voice or Nvidia Broadcast. Baka mas maganda pa yon. Yun yung mga options mo. But if you're willing to spend 1,500 pesos, 1,700 ganyan, baka you might be able to find yung Sound Blaster or this one here, yung Asus AI noise cancelling, baka mas maigi pa. Ang problem lang sa mga noise cancelling, noise suppression na very aggressive, yung voice quality mo baka ma-compromise din. So, baka hindi pala noise suppression ang kailangan mo, baka kailangan mo maglipat ng studio na mas matahimik, 'di ba? So, ayun. That ends my video. I really hope I was able to help some of you guys out deciding kung anong nararapat para sa inyo. And again, I hope you like this video, and as always, see you in the next one.